Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a glider origami plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Again press it. Now fold a triangle shape from the top of the paper and press well. Then from the other side repeat the step. Press it well. Now open the fold. Now fold the tip towards the bottom and press it well. Now again fold it towards the top and press it. Now fold it into a triangle from both the sides and press it well. Now open it. Fold a crease. And press it. Now again open it. Fold it and press. Then from the other side repeat the step. Press it well. Press it. Now fold it inwards from one side and then the other. And press it well. Now turn it, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Again fold it from one side and then the other. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the class of more origami tutorials like this. Alright. Now add some details to the wings from one side and then the other and press it well. Open it, shape it well, and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.